Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing in and granting mic/camera permissions. This lets Gemini hear or see context when useful. Once signed in, choose chat, voice, or image mode depending on whether you type, speak, or upload visuals. Provide a clear objective, constraints, and 1 or 2 short examples so the assistant recognizes the format you want. Make sure to set tone and length preferences. This reduces back and forth and gets you actionable output quickly. You now craft a specific prompt that includes goal, audience, format, and desired length so Gemini answers precisely. Once you get a reply, follow up with edits or ask for alternative styles to iterate fast. Say shorten, simplify, or add examples. Make use of templates and code blocks for structured outputs, and request a step-by-step breakdown when tackling complex tasks. This reduces ambiguity and helps you move from draft to final result efficiently. You finish by reviewing the output, exporting or copying the final content, and verifying any facts or code before use. If the tone or detail is off, adjust temperature, verbosity, or safety filters and rerun the prompt. When responses go wrong, restate constraints, provide a concise example, and split the task into smaller steps to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: if accuracy fails, ask Gemini to show sources or to run a sanity check and explain its reasoning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.